The man accused of trying to extort $2 million from David Letterman is expected to be in court today. CBS News correspondent Kelly Wallace has the latest.
Good morning. The only thing Joe Halderman and his attorney have said since his arrest is that there's another side to the story. Today, they're expected to reveal just what they mean when Halderman's attorney files a motion inside this courthouse to drop all the charges. Just 5 weeks ago, David Letterman stunned his audience when he told them he had affairs with female staffers.
I have had sex with women who work for me on this show.
He was coming forward because he says he was being blackmailed for $2 million.
This whole thing has been quite scary.
Police charge veteran CBS News producer Joe Halderman with extortion. Halderman's ex-girlfriend, Stephanie Burkett, was one of the staffers allegedly involved with Letterman. Halderman has been silent up until today's court hearing, when, according to a source, you'll learn a whole lot about what the defense is, what their legal position is. It'll make for good reading. Among the possible defense strategies, charges of entrapment.
If indeed the conversations between Halderman and Letterman's attorneys are on videotape, it will be very easy to get to the bottom of it and figure out whether there was entrapment or whether this was simply an extortionist demand.
Halderman may be vowing to go to trial, but legal analysts believe there will eventually be a plea deal because a high-profile trial would be embarrassing for Halderman and the late-night funny man.
I assume that they will make Mr. Halderman an offer that perhaps that he can't refuse. And I would assume that David Letterman will buy into that because he doesn't need to have all the dirty laundry dragged out again through the media.
The district attorney's office and Letterman's production company aren't commenting on this motion to dismiss the case. As for Halderman, friends say he's raised $100,000 for his legal expenses and is trying to raise more. Kelly Wallace, CBS News, New York.